key research topic in my lab is something called deep learning or artificial intelligence. Make a lot of decisions and comparable to the human and even better than human. The goal of the robot is not to replace the human. It's just want to make the work happy with this kind of interaction between the robot and the human is more effective. So the robot the specific project we're working on is to doing something called chicken rehanging, and basically it's one of the tasks in the chicken supply chain and processing lines, and there's one task still highly relies on the human, and hopefully combining with this kind of technology can help the industry. We believe we utilize this kind of machine learning, artificial intelligence algorithms can actually help the managers or the frontline workers to make the best decisions. The final goal is to improve the safety, quality of the food and the bioproduct we get. I hope my research can help benefit small portion of industry, kind of combining the high tech and old tech and merge them together. Yeah.